So I've been trying to upgrade my hair cutting game, and that's why I needed to have this Happy Nuts. This was gifted me from the brand that's always how we give us for real. So what I truly loved about this one is one, this is a USB-C charge. I love anything that's rechargeable, especially because I don't want to deal with batteries and everything. But I thought that this is such a sleek model, and it's so easy just to kind of get, especially the baby hairs, that I found this super easy. It actually comes with a bunch of different guards, which are super customizable, which I honestly love, especially because when I'm cutting my son's hair, I do love to have a guard. So this one goes from 1, 3, and 5 milliliters, so more millimeters. So you just kind of put it on like this. It'll give you a few different points. So here's 5, 1, 3, and 1. And obviously without it is 0. This also comes with this card, which is 7, 9, and 11 millimeters. So this is the same thing of 7, 9, or 11, 9, and 7. But the one thing too that's also cool about this one, when you turn on, it's super quiet. It does give you a nice indicator. This is green on my screen. I don't know why it's coming up blue, but it is green, so it shows up. But it's super quiet, but you can see it vibrating. There's also too, when you pull it, this also has another head which you can stick on. So this one has a nose trimmer too. So nose trimmer too is super nice to, one, get any stray low hairs. People do use it sometimes for ears, and I've even seen it done for a little bit of eyebrow maintenance. So if you're looking for a new hair and body trimmer, this is definitely one you need, especially because this one's so versatile. This has really upped my hair cutting game, especially because I don't have to use my big trimmer to kind of get in those really tight areas, especially around the ears. I find that using a small trimmer like this has really just made everything so much easier. So if you're looking for a new one, this is definitely one you need.